got drunk on the floor and it's getting nasty. He ain't keeping his hands up on my ass cheeks.
So today I'm gonna be doing the opposite of the video I did a couple of days ago, which was a drugstore makeup tutorial. This is gonna be a high-end makeup tutorial. I'm gonna try to use all the high-end products I have. Some of them I don't use, you know, because I'm down for saving money or whatever. But if you'd like to see what I'm using for my high-end makeup tutorial, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, Jules. I'm going to be using my ABH Brow Wiz pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown for my brows. I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakerie Insta Bake Concealer to clean out my eyebrows. And this is in the shade Pretzlvania. On my eyelids, I'm going to be using my ABH eye primer, and I'm going to be mixing that with the same concealer I used to conceal under my brows. So I'm going to be going into my Jackie Aina palette. And the first shade I'm going to go into is Ginger. Next, I'm going to use the shade Credit into my crease area. In between the shade Credit and Ginger, I'm going to apply the shade Edges to blend out that line a little. I'm going to be using my ABH eye primer to clean up that space where I want to apply my lid shade. Then I'm going to clean those edges with whatever is left on the brush. I'm going to spray my brush with my Fix Plus to give the color a little more payoff. For my lid, I'm going to be using the shade Dwollahs. Yes, she is cute. To prime my skin, I'm going to be using my Skindinavia makeup primer spray. And then I'm going to go back over it with my Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. So my foundation I'm going to be using today is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade 470. For my concealer, I'm going to be using my Bakerie Insta Bake 3-in-1 concealer, and this is in the shade Pretzlvania. To set those highlighted areas, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder, and this is in the shade Cashew. For my contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Ebony. I ordered the shade Caviar, but this is what they sent me, so it's going to have to work for today. To set those areas that I just contoured, I'm going to be using my Kevyn Aucoin single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Coffee Bean. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the first shade, Soleil. Now I'm going to reverse contour to give me that extra pop. For my mascara, I'm going to be using my KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara. And these lashes I'm applying, they're just some regular AliExpress lashes. I didn't have any high-end eyelashes. Then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Powder Foundation to set my whole face. This is in 57N. I'm going to be using my MAC Shimmer Blush in the shade Sweet as Cocoa. So to line my lips, I also did not have a high-end lip liner, so I'm going to be using, I think this was Nicka K in Coffee. And for my gloss, I'm going to be using my MAC lip gloss in the shade Spite. This is one of my all-time favorites. I think I want to do a nude lipstick video for my women of color. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down below. And now I'm going to set my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So after we've sprayed our face to set everything, I'm going to use my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is in the shade Sugar Daddy. She is so cute. So this is the finished look of my high-end soft glam look. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and don't forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time, jewels.